Hey guys, let me teach you how to craft rings and amulets and charms and everything else in Eastern Sun. Let's take a look. So first you need to go to old git and get this rerolling orb. So this will help you turn, as you can see in its description, a magic ring to another magic ring, or a magic ring to a rare, or like few rares to something else. I will show you immediately all of the combinations, but most of them. So after you buy this, let me just buy a clean one. I already have mine here. So as you can see, it after you add something in it, first it's empty, right? After that you can add like a ring. Cube it together and you have one ring point. So you need 3 points to turn a magic into a magic ring, right? But you can also change this, like just place it in the cube, bam, you changed it. You can turn a magic ring into a rare ring, but you need 7 points, like 7 blue ring points, right? You can turn it again. You can turn a rare to another rare, so you basically re-roll the ring, right? But you need 3 points and you need 3 rare points. So if you place a blue one, a blue ring, you get 1 blue point, right? If you place a rare ring, you get 1 ring point. That's like green, right? And you can also further reroll it and you can turn like 7 rare points, right? So 7 rare rings, you place it in this thing and you can build a unique ring. And you can also do it for like other things. If you keep cubing it, you can see that now it's a magic amulet, right? The same thing, magic rare, rare to rare, rare to unique, you just need the points, right? Then you can do the same for jewels. Jewel, rare jewel, unique jewel. SC means small charm, so small charms, the same thing with small charms. Large charms, so LC is large charm, the same thing. Grand charm now, so these big fellows, but I have some uniques here. Same thing, keep turning in the cube, right? Devil's food, this needs to be fixed. I don't know what this is really. Maybe someone can let me know in the comments what it is. I have no idea. And then it goes back to the magic rings, right? I will throw this away since I already have it. Like I have one with a few more points in it. Right? Now let me show you how to make a ring out of it. So once you have the points, so you see I have ring points, I only have 3. So let's add a few more. Bam, 4 points, 5 points, 6 points, 7 points. So now I have enough for, let me just go to the magic grand charm. No. Devil's no. Magic ring to rare ring. Okay. So now what we want to do is take the rerolling orb with the symbol for your class. So holy symbol is for paladin, because I'm playing a paladin. I don't know which. Blackmoor, I think it's for necromancer. The forging hammer, I don't know, maybe for barbarian. I will leave a wiki page for you to look up. I'm too lazy to do that right now. Crash gem, I don't know what it's about. I think this is for assassin or no, for Amazon, right? You can keep rerolling it. This is initially a dragonstone, so that's what you see first, a dragonstone, and then you just roll it into multiple stuff. Let me make it into holy symbol, right? So I have holy symbol, I have the rerolling orb with 7 points, and now, so this is for paladin, the rolling orb, and bam, I get a ring, right? Well, it's quite a bad ring for now, but you can get pretty good stuff with it. Let me just add all of the scrap rings. So instead of selling them, you can just add them to the reroller. Turn into whatever. Paladin, Strongman, I don't need it. I have something better. I don't need it. Really don't need it. Let me see what I have next. I have some amulets here that I collected while doing cow runs. Useless. You can also add jewels, as you've seen, charms. Let's keep these two. Maybe I will need them. But anyway. You can just add all of them around. Javelin spear. Okay, let's add everything. Go to Paladin. I bet. Okay, so now I have lots of points. I have amulet points. I have like 22. Rank points I don't have anymore. Let me just start. So rare to rare thing. What does it happen if I do this? Oh, okay. I get a rare thing. But this is not good. Not a good one. Let's try again. Still not a good one. Okay, let's do it for amulets now. I'm interested in amulets. Amulet. Let's see. Crap. Bad. 3 to offensive auras. What? This one is good. I do have an unique, but it's 3 to offensive auras. And I'm maining a holy fire paladin. So I get some damage increase. Okay, I will keep this one because it's quite interesting. Like it improves my damage a bit. We'll think about it. But this one I don't need. Or this one. So I also, let's see. Rare to rare. Let's try getting one more amulet. Okay, this one is bad. Let's try again. This one is worse. But you can get some pretty rare amulets. So that's what I'm doing it, and that's why you should do it. You can get like the best amulet with 4 or 5 skill points for your class, which is quite crazy. Let's also, since I have those jewels, let's do some jewels. So magic jewel, magic to rare jewel. Let's do this. Let's see what I do. Magic to rare jewel. Why doesn't it work? I have 2 points. Okay, this is weird. Oh, it's... So wait, how do I get jewel? Okay, this is interesting. Unique amulet. So cube with a magic red ring amulet jewel charm. Cube with a key to reroll, cube with a spell and so on. Okay, but how do I get a jewel? That's the question. So let's see if I let me try on. It doesn't work. Okay, let's try with the key.
Good day.
Oh, so it's with the key to get the jewel or some other stuff that it's not class specific, right? To do it with the key. That's good to know. But not magic to magic jewel. Magic to rare jewel. Let's see. Bam. Ooh, 1-2 druid skill levels. Nice. We'll keep that one. So anyway, that's how you do it. Hope this video was helpful. Remember, this is the Eastern Sun mod, so it's not Diablo 2 Classic. It's the Eastern Sun mod, which I love more than Diablo 2, honestly. So you should try it too if you were confused by this video. Anyway, see you around. Subscribe if you liked it, and hope you will try this video out. See you.